Before discussing our proposed solution, let's first look at the problems that exist in current mobility assistance systems. There are three main problem statements identified in this project. The first problem is mobility challenges. Mobility is one of the major challenges faced by visually impaired individuals, elderly people, and temporary injury patients. Daily activities such as working in unfamiliar environments or navigating uneven pathways can be difficult and may increase the risk of falls and injuries, affecting users' confidence and independence. The second problem is the limitations of traditional walking canes. Although traditional canes provide basic mobility support, they can only detect obstacles through direct contact. They are unable to provide early warnings and cannot detect hazards such as stairs, potholes, wet floors, or uneven surfaces. The final problem is the limitations of existing smart walking canes. While these devices have been developed to overcome the shortcomings of traditional canes, many are expensive, complex to use, and may rely heavily on GPS or internet connectivity. In addition, some devices have limited hazard detection capabilities and cannot distinguish certain hazards. Therefore, there's still a need for a more practical, accessible, and user-friendly mobility solution.
We would like to introduce SmartNav Cane, an intelligent assistive mobility device designed for visually impaired individuals, elderly users, and temporary injury patients. Traditional walking canes mainly provide physical support and offer limited hazard awareness during movement. To address this issue, SmartNav Cane combines intelligent assistive technology, smart hazard awareness, and mobility support into one user-centered solution. The product is designed to provide a safer, more reliable, and more independent mobility experience while improving user confidence during daily activities. SmartNav Cane represents a smarter approach towards inclusive assistive technology by empowering independence, enhancing safety, and improving lives.
Value proposition of our product, which is SmartNav Cane. SmartNav Cane is a smart assistive mobility device designed to improve safety, independence, and navigation for visually impaired individuals, elderly users, and people with temporary mobility limitations. Unlike traditional walking canes that only provide physical support, our SmartNav Cane combines multiple smart technologies into one device, including hazard detection sensors, GPS navigation, vibration alerts, and emergency SOS assistance. The main uniqueness of SmartNav Cane is its intelligent hazard detection system. By using sensor fusion technology and machine learning, the cane can identify obstacles and environmental hazards such as potholes, uneven surfaces, terrain, and stairs. It also provides real-time vibration feedback to alert users. Overall, our SmartNav Cane provide more than just mobility support. It offers users greater confidence, independence, and a safer way to navigate their surroundings compared to the existing canes in the market.
Our target customers are diverse because the product is designed to be accessible and beneficial to a wide range of users. First, the primary target group is the visually impaired community, particularly individuals with permanent visual impairments who face challenges navigating public spaces safely. Second, the senior citizens and the elderly who require additional support and stability while working, thereby helping to reduce the risk of falls. Third, it can assist people with mobility disabilities such as individuals recovering from temporary lower limb injuries who need walking support during rehabilitation. In addition, hospitals and rehabilitation centers can use the cane as an assistive device for patients undergoing treatment and recovery. Lastly, NGOs and disability support organizations. The canes are distributed in bulk to individuals who need assistance but may not be able to afford one. For this market, We would focus on producing a version that is durable, long-lasting, and affordable to ensure extended usability and wider accessibility. That's all from us. Thank you.